How to leave a league on Fantasy Premier. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you guys would like to leave a league on Fantasy Premier, in today's video we will be showing you how. So once you are into the FPL screen like this, if you're on the website or the application, you may look out for the section, navigate towards the option called Leagues and Cup section. In the website, it is right beside the transfers. You can tap on that Leagues and Cups tab, and here it will show you all of the leagues that you've joined. So if you'd like to leave a league, you can basically go ahead and find the specific league that you want to leave. You can find league and cup section. You can basically uh, find your league. For example, I have this league that I've joined. So if I'd like to leave it, we can find an option of leaving. I can right beside the league, tap on it, and then you can just go ahead and confirm that you would like to leave this league. So confirm it, tap on yes, I want to leave this league, confirm it, and when you do, you should be finding the league disappearing from your screen, which means you have already left the league from your premium, like Fantasy Premium. So this is how you basically leave a league, Fantasy Premier League. The exact steps can vary slightly depending upon the website or the application you're using, but basically you need to follow the steps in order to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.